today. Stannis stands with iron eyes to watch the golden city die. But through the dark a single boat leaves a toxic line afloat. A Brennan the field falls from the sky to hear 10,000 soldiers cry.
The green fire burns upon the wave. The ocean turns a massive grave. An unholy light, an emerald hell, where flesh and iron freeze and melt.
But still the rightful king commands to storm the walls with bleeding hands.
The ladders rise through smoke and bone to drag the bastard from his throne.
Burn in the green, die in the fire, the final pyre of king's desire. The Blackwater runs with blood and ash.
As shields and iron swords will clash.
Fight for your lives.
The city screams.
To burn the last of royal dreams. The Hound has seen the burning hell and breaks the master's wicked spell. Fuck the king, the fighter cries as panic wakes inside his eyes. The dwarf boy leads the final stand with heavy steel in tiny hands.
Fight for your homes, your children's breath, and march into the jaws of death.
While in the tower the mother sits with poison where the shadow splits.
To kill the child